Okay, let me show you how to install the plugin that we have provided for you. It's quite easy. If you don't see the developer tab in your Excel, just click the right button somewhere here and go to customize the ribbon and make sure that you have the tick mark here. You can also go to file and options to get to this window and then go to customize ribbon. Once you see it, the easiest way to install the plugin is just go to Excel add-in, and here click browse, and here's where all your plugins should be placed. Just drag and copy this over to here and hit OK, and that's it. You get the plugin. Just a collection of various helpers that I've developed over the years, and this is the one we're gonna use, apply formatting, just to make our sheets a bit more consistent and save some time in the beginning of every working file. Okay, let's go ahead and see you in the next video.